How to view profile insights on Facebook. First thing you have to do is open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, simply tap on the menu icon at the top right. Then from here you can tap on the profile banner or the profile name that you see. Once you land on your profile page, in order to view the inside, what you're going to have to do is to go ahead and turn on professional mode. Tap on the three lines at the top right. And on the three lines, you'll find the option where it says turn on professional mode. Tap on it. Once you have turned on the professional mode, here you're going to have to review your profile first. So just wait for a bit for it to load. So you can see what happens when you turn on professional mode. You can get paid for your content. You can see content insights, grow audience, and be discovered with tagging. Now click on turn on. And once you have done that, you're going to have to keep tapping next. Here, choose your default audience, click on next, and review your changes, confirm your settings. And now from here, you can start earning as well. You can learn more about the monetization tool. Then keep tapping next. And if you want, you could also add a profile frame indicating that you have a professional mode turned on. I'm going to skip it. Now you can go to professional dashboard. And from here, what you can do is view your insights. So if I just go back, and if I go back to my profile, I'll be able to see the dashboard of my profile. So click on professional dashboard. And here you'll be able to see all of the insights of your profile. Tap on Insights tab. And here you can see your views, your interactions, and your followers. So that's how you can see profile insights on Facebook. If this was helpful to you, make sure to hit like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.